Hey guys, it's Cassie and today we have another haul to go through. Oh my gosh, we have a very cool mix of items. I'm going a little bit outside of my comfort zone. I'm excited. We have Versace, Valentino, Rick Owens. Who is she? Okay, we have some really interesting pieces that I'm excited to show you. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie and I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're going to love it here. So head down there, subscribe, turn on the bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. We are very close to 100,000, so make sure you stop and click the subscribe button, alright? All of the links to these items will be below as usual. Now, a lot of these items today I did get from FARFETCH, who is a friend of the channel. They have been working with me for a while now, and I am so grateful that they do, because that means that I get to give you guys codes, you guys get to use the codes and get the benefits of those codes, and FARFETCH keep coming back, which is amazing. So if you didn't know, FARFETCH is an online platform that basically is home to thousands of brands, hundreds of boutiques, department stores all over the world, right? But you shop in one place. So today I had items come from Romania, Italy, Spain, some from the US as well. But it basically connects us to these smaller boutiques or department stores all over the world, and it's such an easy shopping experience. And because the reach is global, it means that on FARFETCH you can often find things that are sold out elsewhere. They have luxury, they have sport, they have kids wear, homeware, beauty now. There really is something for everybody on there. They also have a loyalty program called Access, so the more that you shop on FARFETCH, the more benefits you get. You might get early sale access, you might get put in touch with a personal stylist, you may have a little discount for a happy birthday from us to you situation. So look, I always have a great time shopping on there. My code is on the screen. There are some brand exclusions, but they will be listed below, as well as the T's and C's. Have a read through those before using it, but go forth, enjoy. Thank you so much to FARFETCH for sponsoring yet again. Starting off with item number one. This was a little bit, okay, so I mentioned this in a recent video. We were talking about Rick Owens, weren't we? Turns out, ladies and gentlemen, she's a Rick girl. Okay. So I spoke about this top. I love the dress version. It's very Morticia Adams at the Met. We know this snaps love. But I ended up going with the top, and I am obsessed. It's so weird and wonderful. Hold on. Okay, you're going to see this on me, but there is this prong. Do you see it? It is essential. It is a piece of metal. This thing is solid, right? I don't know how to, like, it's not bending. It's like a car part in the best way possible. Like, that is, there's no movement in it. I was a little bit nervous because you know me, I don't like anything that requires me to A, not wear a bra, or B, have to buy a different bra, right? It's just annoying to me. But I absolutely loved how unique and interesting this design was, and I really thought that it was very versatile, so I went for it. And again, when it arrived, we had some nerves, we had some butterflies in the stomach, and let me tell you why. Because when I pulled it out the sleeve first, and I was like, the material's quite thin. The nipples are going to be on show, right? Actually, no. Because of the way that it's done, I actually feel very secure inside it. It's very strange. This is Rick Owens Spring Summer 2022. They do this also in a lilac, I believe, but I just thought the black layered in an autumn-winter situation. It's going to look great with a skirt. It's going to look exceptional with a black legging, and you know how much I love a black legging come autumn-winter, okay? This with a black legging, oh my gosh, she's edgy. Oh, what has New York done to her in the best way possible, you know? So unique and different and fun, but also easy to work with, right? Because a lot of kind of like out there pieces, it's like I can only wear this in this situation and that's it, you know? But I really feel like this does have some versatility. It's also just very weird. Like there's just this metal prong with fabric hanging from it. Very strange, but I'm into it. I got this in a size 42, perfect. Glad I went with this size. Not uncomfortable, but everything's in place. Truly, I'm just excited to wear it. Next up, we have a piece, you know me, I'm a Versace file. I'm a Versace gal. Donatella Gianni, much love, you know? I came across this and I was like, hold on. Once again, you know I love versatility. And I really feel like this is one of those really great, easy pieces that I could wear now with a white shirt, white shirt tucked in, or autumn winter black turtleneck situation. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be in my element. This, even with the Rick top that I just showed you, magical. It is a ruched. Ruching is very in for autumn winter. I'm telling you now, I'm gonna do a trends video. Ruching, very big. Worm dresses, worm skirts. I'm gonna call them worm items because they remind me of little worms, but you get what I mean. It also does come in a pink and black, I believe. I'll show you a picture. But I really liked the very classic Versace Baroque print in a black and white situation. You've got the ruche, like all of the gathering down the side, and a gold zip, so that it's easy to get on and off. You're not weaseling your way in there. It's also very, very comfy. Great transitional piece. Wear now, wear later, layer her up, have a moment. She's gonna even look great with a black puffer jacket when the time comes. Next up, very quick piece of beauty. I've been hearing everybody talk about this, and I've not given it a chance. And I thought, do you want to know what? Let's pick it up. Let's add it to the checkout while I'm here, you know? Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter for a Superstar Youth Glow. Now, I got this in the shade 4 medium. This apparently is like, you can use it as a highlighter, you can use it as a primer. I don't know, but I'm excited to try. Let me just do you a swatch, right, so that you can see. Right, do we see she's glowing already? So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on, you know, high points of the face, bridge of the nose, blah, blah, blah. I mean, she's given us a good glow, isn't she? So I'm excited to use that because it doesn't look glittery. It just looks like very subtle, but nice. And again, I've been hearing everybody talk about it, and I'm like, well, it's about time. I was so impressed with this dress. Okay, it's a dress. It's from the Attico and it's satin. And to be honest with you, I felt like a little bit risky ordering it because I was like, satin, you know, that kind of like normal one ply, like just one sheet of satin. It can be a bit unforgiving. You've got to really get the right fit 'cause there's no giving it, blah, 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 right? So I was a little bit suspicious, shall we say. But oh my gosh, when I tell you that this satin is thick, oh, glorious. Okay, so it is this. What colour would we call this? A chartreuse? It's like a bit yellowy, a bit green. Absolutely love. It's a shirt dress if it would just comply with me. And it's got padded shoulders. Attico does going out semi-80s inspired vibe very well. And I wanted to jump on the train. And then with the skirt, it's just sort of like nipped in a little bit at the waist, and then you have this skirt and it's all buttoned, right? That's the back. The sleeves are big and all of this. I went with a size 44 because again, I was a bit worried about it being satin, no give, all of that. So it does look a bit oversized on me, which is what I like. But my plan is to belt her so it gives it some body. So I belt it, I nip it in at the waist, I bring some of the shirt, the top bit over it, and so it gives it a little bit of like oversized luxe, elegant, but a little bit fun. You know what I mean? So, love the colour, absolutely stunning. I think it's going to be perfect for spring, summer, but also you could do this with a tight autumn, winter, with a sparkly bag and a sparkly shoe and live your best life, you know? Really blown away by the fact that it is thick. Right, nothing's going to show, nothing's peeping through, no peeping toms, all the better. Oh, I just think, do you want to know what? It feels amazing on the body. I think it looks fun and easy, and you just do a little pop of colour, you know? I love it with this belt actually as well. And it just falls perfectly. Oh yes, with the shoulder pads, with the strong shoulder, you know I love a strong shoulder. Finally, Valentino. I have spoken about these shoes already on this channel, and then I did a TikTok about it, and you guys were like, you have to get these. This is the pair that you need. And I was like, yes, you are 100% right. These are very me, and whilst over the top and off the now trendy, you know, platforms are having a moment, blah, blah, blah. I did also think that this is something that, oh my gosh, she's going to bring out year after year. By no means am I intending to actually sort of like teeter-totter down the streets of Manhattan in these shoes. These are curb to car moment, all right? I'm going to dinner. I'm going to an event. Let's get in the car, get there, stand on my feet for circa 10 minutes, sit down for the rest of the time, get in the car on the way home. That's how I like to live my life, okay? These are so sexy. They are giving Angelina Jolie in Mr. and Mrs. Smith. And that is goals. And they are going to look great with a skirt. Be it like a sort of tighter skirt or an A-line skirt, it's going to work with a dress. It's also going to work with leggings tucked in. You know I love a sodding, you know I love like a faux catsuit all in one, she's out here to save the world moment. And these are fantastic. Now, good thing about these is that you do have a zip down the side. I will say, so I've tried these on to make sure that the size was fine. Like my calves and everything, it's perfect. I would say it's a perfect fit for me. That's something I usually need to look out for because like the Givenchy shark boots, my calves aren't getting in, you know? So it's perfect for me, keep that in mind. The other thing, but like all of here is like, it's snug, not uncomfortable, but it's snug. What is going to happen with this leather, because of the way that it's constructed and everything, is that it's going to crease, it's going to bend, it's not going to look this pristine, clean, you know, smooth leather when you start wearing it, but I think it's going to age beautifully and it's going to soften up really, really nicely. Oh, by the way, I also got a size 39 in there, perfect size, so go true to size. And I knew if I waited till like September to buy these, because you know, we're prepping for autumn winter, but by no means are we experiencing it. I knew I'm going to have a hell of a time getting my hands on these, you know? So, these I am just, I'm so excited about. I might just wander around in the home in them later today. But guys, do not forget to use the code on the screen. Again, T's and C's, brand exclusions are below, but enjoy, use it. Thank you again to FARFETCH for sponsoring. And let me know what was your favourite piece from the haul. Links will be below in case you want to twin with me. I'm going to leave a link to another video over here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening wherever you are. And in the words of my father,
if you've enjoyed it, tell your friends. If you haven't, keep your mouth shut.
I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.